Welcome back to Hey Habibi Egyptian Arabic, where we equip you and your family with Egyptian Arabic vocabulary and skills. In this video, we will learn the easiest sentence you can create in Egyptian Arabic. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your own simple sentences using this technique and apply it to the vocab words you've already learned. If you need help with vocabulary, see the links in the description box below. Let's get started. The Arabic word we're going to focus on today is the word fi. In English, this translates to there is or there are. All you have to do to create a sentence is to follow this word fi with any person, place, or thing that you know the word for in Arabic. For example, if I wanted to say there is a girl, I'd say fi bint. Fi bint. Fi means there is, and bint means girl. When you put them together, it means there is a girl. Walad means boy. If I wanted to say there is a boy, I'd say fi walad. Fi walad. Ragel means man. How would you say there is a man? Fi ragel. Fi ragel. Sit means woman. How would you say there is a woman? Fi sit. Fi sit. This works for non-humans as well. Kalb means dog. How would you say there is a dog? Fi kalb. Fi kalb. Now that you know how to use fi, let's take it one step farther and learn how to negate it. The opposite of fi is mafeesh, and it's used in the same way. For example, we already saw that fi bint means there is a girl. If we change it to mafeesh bint, then the sentence means there's not a girl. Here are some more examples. Mafeesh walad. Mafeesh ragel. مفيش ست. مفيش كلب. Now you try. Can you describe who is or is not in the following video clip? Hit pause if you want to test your knowledge and make a list. Here are some examples of what you could say. في بنت. في راجل. في ست. في كلب. مفيش ولد. And here's one last test if you've been following along with our vocabulary videos. How do you say, there is a cat? Put your answer in the comments below. Thank you for watching.